Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have concerns or specific symptoms, always consult a doctor. Hello and welcome to Health Pills. Many people wish to live a long life, but very few want to face the process of aging. How can this apparent contradiction be resolved? Today, we'll delve into understanding how to slow down aging and potentially reverse its effects. 1. Reimagining longevity. People often set expectations for how long they think they should live based on societal norms, life expectancy statistics, or personal experiences. But what if we could break free from those constraints? If you could reach the age of 90 and still feel like you did at 40, would your perspective on aging change? The truth is, the only reason we place limits on longevity is that we associate aging with frailty, chronic illnesses, and diminished quality of life. This view often leads to a fear of growing old, rooted in the belief that we can't stay healthy and active in later years. Yet, scientific advancements are challenging this perception. Imagine a future where reaching a significant age doesn't come with a trade-off of deteriorating health. Understanding that aging doesn't have to mean inevitable decline shifts our approach from passive acceptance to active prevention and maintenance. If we believe we can maintain our vitality into older age, our motivation to adopt healthier habits increases. This is not just wishful thinking. It is backed by emerging research into how lifestyle and medical interventions can slow or even reverse some aspects of aging. The concept isn't about chasing youth, but redefining what healthy aging looks like. By taking proactive measures, we can extend not just the years of our life, but the life in those years. The key lies in understanding and implementing practices that sustain long-term health, backed by science and personalized approaches to well-being. 2. Is aging a disease? The idea that aging might be considered a disease is gaining traction among experts. Typically, conditions like arthritis, hypertension, cancer, and dementia are treated as individual illnesses. But why do these diseases become significantly more prevalent with age? This pattern has led some researchers to argue that aging itself is the primary condition that predisposes us to these ailments. If we consider that most chronic diseases only affect a minority of the younger population, but increase exponentially with age, it becomes clear that aging is the underlying factor. Looking at the statistics, a 20-year-old has a minimal chance of developing conditions like arthritis or dementia, whereas the risk increases hundreds of times by the time someone reaches 80. Instead of treating these as isolated issues, addressing aging as the central cause could revolutionize how we approach medical treatment and preventive care. Viewing aging as a disease shifts the focus from merely treating symptoms to addressing the core process that accelerates health decline. This perspective is not just theoretical. It influences how scientists conduct research. Treatments targeting the aging process itself could delay or prevent age-related diseases altogether, leading to longer, healthier lives. It emphasizes the importance of lifestyle choices, early intervention, and the development of therapies that tackle the biological mechanisms of aging. By viewing aging as the ultimate risk factor, the path forward involves not just treating existing diseases, but preventing them by maintaining cellular health and function throughout life. 3. Understanding the causes of aging. Over time, scientists have proposed numerous theories to explain why we age. From DNA damage and telomere shortening to mitochondrial dysfunction, these explanations have provided insights but also raised more questions. However, while these factors are indeed associated with aging, they are more like symptoms rather than root causes. According to recent findings, one of the most comprehensive explanations lies in the concept of information loss within our cells, particularly epigenetic information. Genetic information, encoded in our DNA, is stable and represents around 20% of the aging process. However, the dynamic aspect, epigenetic information, accounts for 80% and influences how genes are expressed. While the DNA sequence itself is digital and unchanging, epigenetics determines how genes are activated or silenced, guiding cellular functions throughout life. This system involves complex mechanisms such as how DNA is packaged and read by the cell, akin to a cookbook that contains all possible recipes but needs an external guide to decide which one to use. Over time, this packaging system can degrade. The once precise control over which genes are turned on or off starts to falter, leading to confusion in cellular identity and function. This decline results in cells losing their specialized functions, contributing to the overall aging process. Understanding this loss of information and its effects on cellular health has become a focal point in research, driving scientists to explore how to maintain or restore this epigenetic control to slow or reverse the signs of aging. 4. Epigenetics, the key to gene expression. Epigenetics plays a crucial role in how our cells function and age. It's the system that controls whether genes are turned on or off, determining how cells behave and maintain their identities. Imagine DNA as a cookbook filled with recipes, genes, but it's the epigenetic system that decides which recipe gets used at any given time. Unlike the stable, digital information of DNA, epigenetic expression is more fluid and analog. This means that gene activity can be turned up or down like a dimmer switch, allowing for nuanced control over cellular processes. As we age, this system becomes less efficient. The precise instructions for which genes to activate start to become fuzzy. Cells might start expressing the wrong genes or fail to turn off genes that shouldn't be active. This loss of clarity can lead to cells forgetting their primary functions, whether as muscle cells, liver cells, or neurons. The decline in epigenetic regulation is a major factor behind age-related changes in health and function. External factors such as diet, stress, and environmental exposures can influence epigenetic changes, either positively or negatively. When cells are exposed to harmful conditions over time, the epigenetic markers can become disrupted, leading to accelerated aging. However, this also means that lifestyle choices have a significant impact on maintaining or even restoring healthy epigenetic patterns. Understanding and influencing this level of gene control is an area of great potential for anti-aging research and practical health strategies. 5. Levels of epigenetic control. Epigenetic control operates on multiple levels, each impacting how genes are expressed and influencing aging in different ways. The first level involves transcription factors, which can quickly turn genes on or off, allowing for short-term adaptations to the environment. This rapid response mechanism plays a critical role in daily bodily functions and immediate cellular responses. The second level is more durable and involves sirtuins, a group of proteins that regulate gene expression over a longer period. Sirtuins, often called longevity proteins, help maintain cellular health by silencing certain genes and promoting others, aiding in DNA repair and inflammation control. Activating sirtuins through lifestyle practices like intermittent fasting or exercise can have lasting positive effects on cellular aging. The third and most profound level involves DNA methylation, a process where methyl groups attach to the DNA molecule, affecting gene expression by turning specific genes off. This process can be thought of as adding rust to the DNA, impairing its function over time. The exciting discovery here is that these methyl groups can be removed, indicating that it may be possible to reverse some aspects of cellular aging. This forms the basis of the Horvath clock, a biological marker used to measure biological age by assessing DNA methylation patterns. Understanding these levels of epigenetic control opens up opportunities for targeted interventions. While some changes, like transcription factor activation, are temporary, influencing sirtuins and DNA methylation can provide longer-lasting benefits. The interplay between these layers shows that aging isn't an inevitable one-way process. Instead, it's influenced by how effectively we manage and maintain these complex gene regulation mechanisms. 6. Progress in scientific research. Recent advancements in scientific research have shown that reversing aging might not just be a futuristic concept, but a tangible possibility. Experiments involving the rejuvenation of aged tissues in animals have yielded promising results. For instance, scientists have managed to reverse age-related decline in optic nerves in mice, restoring their youthful function. This groundbreaking work suggests that the loss of cellular function with age can potentially be reversed, challenging the long-held belief that aging only moves in one direction. At the heart of this research is the ability to reactivate youthful gene expression patterns. One of the most notable discoveries involves the use of Yamanaka factors, a set of 4 genes that can reprogram differentiated cells back into pluripotent stem cells. This technique effectively resets the age of cells, allowing them to regain their youthful characteristics. Although applying this technology to entire organisms, including humans, is still far off, these findings provide hope that age reversal could be achievable in the future. The potential to reset cellular age has enormous implications. It could mean not just treating symptoms of aging, but fundamentally reversing the biological clock. While full implementation in humans is still in development, the progress in animal models has spurred further research and funding into practical applications. The future may hold solutions where periodic resets keep us younger for longer, pushing the boundaries of what we currently consider possible in human health and longevity. 7. Current steps to slow aging. While complete age reversal may still be on the horizon, there are practical steps we can take now to slow the aging process and maintain better health. One of the most effective methods is engaging in high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which triggers beneficial stress responses in the body. This type of exercise activates survival genes and promotes the production of NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a molecule essential for cellular energy and repair. NAD levels naturally decline with age, but activities like HIIT and intermittent fasting can help replenish them. Intermittent fasting is another powerful tool. By cycling between periods of eating and fasting, the body activates a process called autophagy, where cells clean out damaged components and regenerate. This cellular spring cleaning promotes longevity and helps maintain youthful function. Combined with proper nutrition and sufficient hydration, these practices support cellular health and delay aging-related decline. Supplementation can also play a role. Compounds like resveratrol, found in red wine, and NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, have been shown to boost NAD levels and enhance sirtuin activity. These supplements help maintain the body's natural defenses against aging, supporting longer-term health. These lifestyle modifications, combined with regular sleep and stress management practices, can significantly impact how we age. While we await more comprehensive treatments for age reversal, Adopting these habits can help ensure that we age gracefully and maintain a higher quality of life for as long as possible. 8. The role of stem cells in regeneration. Stem cells are at the forefront of anti-aging research due to their unique ability to transform into different types of tissues. At the earliest stages of life, stem cells are pluripotent, meaning they can become any cell type within the body. Over time, these cells differentiate into specialized cells that form tissues such as muscles, nerves, and organs. However, this differentiation process traditionally moves in one direction, from stem cells to specific tissue cells. The groundbreaking discovery by Dr. Shinya Yamanaka, who won the Nobel Prize for his work, revealed that it is possible to revert mature, specialized cells back to a pluripotent state using specific genes known as Yamanaka factors. This process has significant implications for anti-aging. By reprogramming aged cells to a more youthful state, scientists could potentially regenerate damaged tissues and organs, offering new hope for conditions related to aging. While current research has achieved promising results in mice, such as regenerating optic nerves and rejuvenating other tissues, applying this technology to whole organisms, including humans, remains a complex challenge. The road to safe and effective application involves addressing potential risks, such as uncontrolled cell growth or cancer. Despite these hurdles, progress continues at an unprecedented pace. Understanding and harnessing stem cell technology may unlock the potential to repair tissues affected by age, extending both the quality and length of life. While full regenerative treatments are not yet available for human use, the potential for future breakthroughs keeps this area of research at the forefront of anti-aging science. 9. The impact of mitochondrial health on aging. Mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of cells, play a critical role in energy production and overall cellular health. These organelles convert nutrients into energy that fuels every function in the body. However, as we age, mitochondrial function tends to decline, leading to decreased energy levels and a buildup of cellular damage. This dysfunction is a significant contributor to the aging process and the onset of age-related diseases. Mitochondrial health is therefore a crucial factor in maintaining youthful vitality. One of the primary causes of mitochondrial decline is oxidative stress. Over time, the mitochondria produce reactive oxygen species, ROS, as a byproduct of energy production. While the body has natural antioxidant defenses to manage ROS, these defenses weaken with age, allowing oxidative damage to accumulate. This damage can impair mitochondrial DNA, disrupt cellular energy production, and trigger cell death, contributing to tissue degeneration and chronic diseases. Enhancing mitochondrial health involves lifestyle choices and potential supplements. Regular exercise, especially endurance and strength training, has been shown to boost mitochondrial biogenesis, the process by which new mitochondria are formed. Diets rich in antioxidants, such as those containing vitamin C and E, can help mitigate oxidative damage. Additionally, compounds like coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, and NAD precursors may support mitochondrial function. Maintaining robust mitochondrial health is essential for delaying the aging process and sustaining energy levels. By prioritizing practices that enhance mitochondrial resilience, we can influence cellular aging and contribute to overall longevity, opening the door to healthier, more active later years. 10. The future of anti-aging research. Every year, the field of anti-aging research advances, bringing us closer to potential breakthroughs that could redefine how we approach aging and longevity. The pace of progress is accelerating, fueled by technological innovations and a deeper understanding of the biological mechanisms behind aging. This means that the longer we live now, the more likely we are to benefit from future developments that could extend our lives and improve our quality of life. Current trends in research include exploring gene therapy, cellular reprogramming, and metabolic interventions that target aging at its core. Scientists are also investigating how to enhance NAD production and maintain optimal levels throughout life. Breakthroughs in these areas could mean not only slowing the aging process, but reversing some of its effects, making age-related diseases a thing of the past. As research continues, it's essential to focus on current health strategies that can maximize our chances of benefiting from these future discoveries. Living a lifestyle that supports cellular health and reduces chronic stress can lay the groundwork for a longer, healthier life. By maintaining a proactive approach to wellness, we position ourselves to take full advantage of upcoming scientific advancements that may redefine the limits of human longevity. Each step forward in the lab brings us closer to a future where aging is no longer synonymous with decline, but is instead a phase of life that can be managed, improved, or even reversed. The journey toward this future is ongoing, and with continued innovation, the dream of extending both lifespan and healthspan could soon become reality. Conclusion: understanding the root causes of aging and taking proactive steps today can slow its effects and maintain a higher quality of life. While reversing aging may still be on the horizon, adopting beneficial habits can help you stay healthier for longer. Thank you for watching Health Pills. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about how to take control of your health, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health insights. Take care and see you in the next video.